Hey there, it's Mrs. Lohoff, and we are coming to the final lessons for Module 6. 6.11 is whole numbers divided by unit fractions. It's more of the same. Keep, change, flip. That's what we're going to be doing. First, we need to talk about a word. The word I want you to learn is called reciprocal. Reciprocal. What reciprocal means is it's where you multiply two numbers, and when you do so, it adds up to 1. In a fraction form, the reciprocal of a fraction just means that you flip it. That's all it means. But in true mathematical terms, we should be able to take our original number times the reciprocal and get 1 as an answer. So let's take a look at this. Here we have the fraction 1/2. 1/2. Now, if I multiply 1/2 by its reciprocal, the reciprocal is going to be the flipped version. I then end up with 2 times 1, which is 2, and 1 times 2, which is 2. If we have a pizza that is cut into 2 pieces, which is what the bottom number says, and we ate both of them, we ate that one whole pizza. Whenever you have a fraction where the top number and the bottom number is the same, that is the same as 1. So reciprocal means we multiplied the two numbers together and we got 1. In the case of a fraction, a reciprocal is the flip. All right, so in the case of a fraction, a reciprocal of a fraction is its flip. So what will be the reciprocal of this fraction? I hope you flipped it and got 5/1, which is 5. If we multiply that times the original number 1/5, we will get 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 times 5 is 5. Any fraction where the top number and the bottom number is the same is equal to 1. So the reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1. What will the reciprocal of this fraction be? The reciprocal will be 3/1, because that's the flip of 1/3. And again, if we multiply the reciprocal times the original number, we get 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 3 is 3. Number on the top is the same as the number on the bottom. That equals 1. The reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1. All right, how about this one, 1/12? What will the reciprocal be? It will be 12/1. Because again, if we take our original 1/12, multiply it by its reciprocal or flipped number, we get 1 times 12 is 12, and 12 times 1 is 12. Same number on the top and the bottom is 1. Now that we know about reciprocals, let's talk about how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. So 2, we're going to replace as a fraction 2/1. 2 is the same as 2/1. Now we do keep, change, flip. The flip is the reciprocal. So we're going to keep 2/1, change, divide to multiply, flip. We're going to flip this fraction. So the 3 is now at the top and the 1 is at the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. 6/1 is the same as 6. If you have a different method of doing this, some people know the method where you are multiplying the whole number by the denominator and keeping your numerator the same. That works too. I am teaching keep, change, flip. 6 divided by 1/2. Same process. Just keep doing the same thing. Turn 6 into a fraction. Keep that fraction. Change, divide to multiply. And flip give me the reciprocal of 1/2. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. Now when we multiply, 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. A number over 1 is a whole number, 12. All right, do this one on your own. Pause now. Make sure you have pencil, paper. Go ahead and do this one on your own. It's the same process. 1 as a whole number will be 1 over 1. Keep it. Change divide to multiply. Flip 1/7, so we now have 7 over 1. And then multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. The answer is 7. That's it. It's the same thing over and over again. This will be our last one. Go ahead and practice this one on your own. You might be switching to the quicker method, and that's fine. If you've realized that you just are multiplying these numbers together, you're going to get 32 over 1. Let me get rid of that little, there we go. That's going to equal 32. If we do it the keep, change, flip method, which my brain is so stuck on remembering, I'm going to turn that into a fraction. Keep 8 over 1. Change divide to multiply. Flip 1/4 to give its reciprocal. And then we can multiply. 8 times 4, 32. 1 times 1, 1. 2 different ways, same answer. All right, hopefully you felt like this was pretty easy. We're going to end the fractions, hopefully with some of the easier work we've had to do. Good luck. See you soon. Bye.